MOBI has transformed our ability to support entrepreneur education. Now we have the opportunity to provide structured and credible training to our participants that we didn't otherwise have without MOBI.
MOBI has allowed us to extend our reach and build capacity from Alabama's urban streets to its rural roads. We're able to reach beyond those folks who can visit us in person, and we can reach into every community in every corner of the state of Alabama.
I saw MOBI and what it could do. I'm like, hey, this is an incredible vehicle to do that, and to be able to give people curriculum and give them knowledge and information, something that nobody can take away. And I think MOBI has done an incredible job of bringing this knowledge to pretty much anybody that's willing to take it.
MOBI is special because they really make things accessible to anyone who's interested in considering starting their own business, to people who are curious about what it takes. And the fact that it's free and accessible to anyone in the world is unheard of and incredible.
The different ways you can obtain the information is very important, and in different languages, which is why it's so useful.
I will tell them that MOBI is the starting point. If you are just having an idea, it really helps you to create that business plan. It's really like the starting point, so you can create that strong foundation that you need for your business.
MOBI has supported entrepreneurship through community growth in the 125 partners that they've brought on board over the last 10 years. To think about where it started to where it is now is incredible, but also to know how those partners are then giving access to their folks. It's just really going to keep growing, and I'm excited to see how it grows.
People were suffering from having lost their businesses, and Phil and Peggy knew something about building businesses. And so they knew that if provided a free course, they could help rebuild LA, and it all started with that one small step.